Assalamualaikum, my name is Abdul Rahman Biasram from UiTM Chonga Kedah. My friend and I will explain about unity of Malaysia eradicate drug. First of all, drug are criminal substances that can change mind, work and body. Drug use is very dangerous because it can harm body and brains. In other hand, drug addiction is a chronic brain disease that causes a person take drug repeatedly. Describe the harm they causes. Based on statistics, there are 24.3 thousand male in Malaysia who at least recorded drug offence compared to 953 female. This was despite harsh law in place regarding drug consumption and possession, including capital punishment for the drug trafficking. As we know, drug is the destroyer of our generation. Apart from that, there are several factors that causes drug abuse. From this part, my friend will explain more about the factor causes in drug abuse.
Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is Muhammad Syarif Zahir. I come from KM 11038. Okay, my part is factor the drug abuse among the people. Okay, first, stress. Stress can make someone addicted in the drug use. Okay, the problem they face, such as personal, family and work problem, can make they addict the drug use. Okay, therefore when they take easy way, take a drug to forget all the stress, and they think the drug is the very shortcut to settle down all the problem. Okay, second, we all can see the lack of knowledge about drug. Okay, in fact, teenagers in our country do not have in-depth knowledge of negative effect of drug use. Without them raising in can actually make people be insane and fail to make rational decision and may even be a fatal. For example, nowadays we can see the young teenagers like to take ganja, such as like they call bong and anything to enjoy themselves, but they don't know the fact or the effect. Last, lack of religion education is also a fact in drug use. Okay, those with less religion education will easily fall into the trap of drug abuse. This is because with a strong religion belief, a person will find difficult to make mistake. Factor that lack religion education will also abuse.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad bin Hamzah, and I'm gonna talk about prevention or how to prevent from getting addicted to drug. Okay. Usually, in treating the addiction, preventive measure involve therapy and use of medication. But taking this measure is only possible when there is acceptance of problem instead of denial. Family support play a crucial role because the addict may need a lot of emotional and psychological support during the withdrawal stage. It is important to create a clean and drug-free surrounding, and this may happen by hospitalizing the patient, confining him to the therapy center for some time. The various support group help a lot in overcoming the addiction. The therapist also explain to the concerned person the reason and special situation which trigger his impulse for drug. This helps the person in observing and curbing his behavior in future.
My name is Nur Afafayanti binti Awang. I'm student UiTM Sungai Kedah. Okay, continue to my part is a strategy to raise awareness of the dangers of drug use to the community. As the most important agency, there must be a strategy to create healthy, harmony and drug-free people in our country. For example, the National Anti-Drug Agency of the Interior Ministry has put in place a number of strategies. But I just give two strategies. One of them is the enforcer. This is a implement and enforce drug-related law in a planned and holistic manner. The agency initiative is to carry out integrated operation to detect and detain drug addict and trafficker. Next strategy is to strengthen drug prevention education program in educational institutions such as primary school, secondary school, and IPT. The activity implement interactive learning about the impact and dangers drugs education, game, quiz, and video streaming.
Okay, next is the moral value. The first moral value is belief in yourself. Every drug addict will lose the will to change. Through this term, it can give encouragement and self-confidence to the drug addict to change. It was an ability to rise from failure. Okay, next it make all person to appreciate help. As we all know, drugs are very dangerous to our health. It can bring a lot of pain to us. Without drug, we can appreciate our health by making something that gives benefit to us.